Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a system restore. There was an unexpected error in the property page code these. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all in the search box type of services, open services, and after doing this stat, first of all find out a volume shadow copy. Now here is the volume shadow copy. Open it and make sure that it's selected a automatic. Click start, click on apply and OK button. After doing this stat, find out a Microsoft shadow copy provider. Now here is the Microsoft shadow copy provider. Open it and make sure that it's selected a automatic. Click on start button, click on apply and OK button. After that, close it. After that, I hope your problem is fixed. Now here is. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.